No.
No.
One more time.
No.
One more time.
No.
Yeah. No.
Okay, let's bring it back before it gets unfunny.
It has become a lot sad.
Okay, guys, kudos to us. The third podcast of the day, of the night to be specific. We are all high on energy. Thank you for that laugh. We are all totally not on our phones. Committed.
I should order 2 or 1 pizza.
The debate is: are we Lay's fans or Balaji fans?
Balaji, bro.
Balaji, bro.
There's no Balaji for life.
Balaji.
Balaji
No,
for
I'll
life.
give you.
I
Because
hate the flavors Lay's have except for the South Indian one. That is a good flavor.
No, I don't like
problem
Lay's.
with
I don't like
see,
Lay's.
the thing is that I never tasted Balaji before coming to Mumbai. So if I go to back to my
What
place,
is this privilege talking out of you? Huh? What is rich kid talking?
no,
Huh.
we don't get Balaji in Sikkim now. So I always had Lays
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
So whenever I come, I just ask for Lays. I did not ask for Balaji.
So even in Balaji, we have controversies, debates. Are we masala fans or are
Masala.
we cream onion fans?
No masala,
See,
masala.
you know what?
And then there's a
two
third.
flavors.
There are two other
Chaat
flavors:
chutney.
tomato flavors,
No.
Chaat must.
and they're simple, plain salted with nobody in the world
No,
likes.
no, there's one.
No,
Other
I
than
like
kids.
pink
Other than kids.
salted.
No,
There's
bro, I
chatpata,
hate
that
it.
green thing.
Chachas.
That's the worst. That's
Oh,
the
bro, very
worst.
nice taste you got.
That's
Shit.
the worst.
What is this?
I
weird
hate
taste you
it.
got?
I hate it.
I always get confused what to buy between cream and onion and masala. So I buy both.
Yeah.
I mix it.
Yeah, I mix it. That's the best way to have cream and onion.
Bro.
Yeah.
Okay, Balaji is like legend, but
Cream and
what
onion.
about Chataka Butter?
Yeah.
What is
Chataka.
what? Have you not
I think
had
if
it?
we are going for those legends, we have to pay our tribute to Solid Masti.
Yeah.
There are no haters.
Kurkure. But Kurkure is like
Not
more of
Kurkure.
a
I used to
commercial
mesmerize,
thing.
after taking one bite, like how do they make it?
Yeah, Solid Masti. Solid Masti is
It
like.
is solid. It's
हाँ,
like
yeah.
It's like mitti.
texture is good.
Yeah. And सब वेफर जब एक जैसा कर रहे थे ना कि क्रंची ये वो ये शेप में रहेगा सब कुरकुरे वाले जितने भी देर आर अदर कुरकुरे टाइपिश ब्रांड्स आल्सो रियल एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट बट सॉलिड मस्ती केम इन द मार्केट लाइक अच्छा क्या शेप्स चल रहे ट्रेंड में अच्छा ये चल रहे क्या चल रहा
Full
है
twist.
सब
हटा,
हटा
हाँ।
मैं कुछ अलग गोल नो आज तक मैंने ऐसा
It
कुछ
looks
नहीं
like
देखा
pasta now.
Yeah.
सॉलिड मस्ती
And-
जैसा कुछ नहीं
And
देखा
dude, have
और
you
ब्रो
ever-
वो क्या मैड एंगल्स वाले इतना क्या उड़ रहे हैं ब्रो
I like-
हाँ
थिक ट्रायंगल
Bro, mad angles की quantity is the
Bro,
worst.
bro, I liked hippo.
Hippo, there was a
Yeah,
hippo का
yeah.
time. There was a hippo का
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
उसमें भी अलग अलग flavors आते
Will
हैं.
anybody talk about bites?
Oh, I like
Will
bites.
anybody talk
I
about bites?
love
Now they
bites.
they
Bro, I have a
started again.
testimony to say
Bro,
about
Dairy
bites.
Milk will do every shit in the world, but
But
will not bring
bites,
bites.
but will not bring bites. I
Bites.
don't- But I have a testimony to say. I mean, I went to stay in a PG in Baikala. बाईकला के सामने एक छोटा सा गल्ला था वो छोटे से गल्ले के अंदर आई सॉ नॉट किडिंग बाइट्स
When?
2 years back. I saw bites and I'm like, भैया ये आपके पास कैसे है? Because it's not in production. ये नहीं है वो नहीं. I checked the expiry date and it's not expired. I'm like, what? I bought 15 of them. कल को चले जाए and I had bites. No kid
Is it
had.
like legend Cadbury? bites?
Yeah.
Or is
I
it
had
like a-
bites.
Damn.
Is it like a slip off?
No. It's bites and bro, I'm like, मैंने बचपन में खाया था थर्ड फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड में
My
खाया
dad
था
used to
उसके
bring
बाद
in
नहीं
that
खाया था.
netted का basket. एक net में like there used to be 5 packets and all. Both.
Wow, that was. If we
No,
are,
our childhood was like legend.
you know, उसमें privilege क्या था? ये सब 5-5 रुपए के आते थे, लेकिन उसमें privilege था hide and seek. थोड़ी अमीरों वाली फीलिंग
हाँ.
आती थी. Hide and seek खाते थे ना तब.
वो 10 रुपए वाला भी आता था, in a small tray you get.
Bro, वो सब छोड़.
हाँ, small tray में hide and seek
है
वो
ना?
भी 9 आते थे. 9 आते
नौ,
थे.
तीन sections.
3 section में 9
School
आते
के
थे.
time में you just get that one packet, go and then have snacks.
Bro, you know, if we're talking about Amiri wala feeling and Garibi wala feeling, bro, have you guys had that 150 wala Pepsi?
Yeah.
Yeah,
We've
yeah.
all been there.
That
We all
is-
had such days. But when we are talking about Amiri, the real Amiri is, I mean, I felt poor when Dark Fantasy came in the market.
Yeah.
Dark Fantasy came thoda
Yeah,
late.
it was
when
like, but still we were in our like
7th,
12th.
8th. I was in 7th 8th when Dark Fantasy came into the market. 30 rupees का बिस्किट जब सब लोग 10 रुपए में मचा रहे, 5 रुपए में वेफर मिल रहे, वो बोल रहा है कि नहीं
I'll tell you.
मैं
Now
30
kids are-
मैं
now
30
I'll tell you what,
asking, like,
when-
give me a phone, I need an iPhone.
हाँ,
But
हाँ,
what
हाँ,
we used to ask was Dark Fantasy मिल जाए तो क्या मजा
You
है।
know, hide and seek was a big deal, na? That 25 ka big thing.
हाँ, 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 हाँ.
So I used to settle with what, you know, happy.
Oh,
I know,
that
I
same
know.
chocolates and cookies.
Yeah. I was like, उसके जैसा ही दिख रहा है. And it tastes also.
I'll tell
okay.
you one more rip-off of hide and seek was Tiger.
Oh,
You know
yeah.
Tiger biscuit?
Tiger, yeah.
Yeah.
Orange color packet.
एक उस
Magic
What
also.
I don't know Magic.
Magic's also, yeah.
Cameo,
He's a Zobo boy.
podcast cameo by Agap. I never had the privilege of having nachos बचपन में.
Same.
हाँ, Agap is like bro बचपन में nachos नाम लाया Zobo kid. Never had nachos. पता नहीं nachos इधर आके ऐसा नहीं लगता. पर अपना नहीं लगता नाचो,
हाँ।
पराया लगता है कि तू तो बाहर का परदेसी है, तू तो तू
हम
अपना
तुझे afford नहीं कर सकते।
तू बालाजी वाला, तेरे में
हम
अपनापन
तो
नहीं है।
कुरकुरे खाते थे.
Agape coming and saying all the other companies
Bro,
that we
I
have
used
not
to have the
heard.
forever restaurant.
Yeah. The nachos that I had from Italy, bro. Well, the taste wasn't as bad.
The crisp.
The ones that I had from Russia was better, apparently.
Cream and onion dips and all.
Yeah.
Pringles, he used to take
Pringles.
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 That's
I haven't had one Pringles in my childhood.
Bro, I
Bro,
had
Pringles
bro, I had
पता
it
भी
from-
नहीं था मेरे को। मेरे को पता भी नहीं था।
I had Pringle और वो डब्बा में कितने दिनों तक सेव करके
The
रखा
rich
था.
kid would bring in picnic
I like how, like, you know, school mein we used to distribute chocolates, right?
with your friend.
Yeah.
With your
and,
friend.
And I still remember the transition of chocolates. Every year I'm like, और थोड़ा महंगा वाला chocolate. So first it was like कच्चा
कच्चा
mango
I
bites.
was in the cheaper gang.
कच्चा mango.
But it was kacha mango
I
by
never got the
consistent.
chance to distribute it. My birthday came summer vacation.
Even I didn't get my chance. Summer vacation.
Poor guys.
Winter vacation.
I was a friend, but many people took me as a friend.
Nobody took me as a friend, bro.
And that's understandable. I mean, come on, let's be honest here.
I'll take you now, bro. I'll take you now. on my
I
birthday.
went as many people's friends. Any Ben 10 fans in the house?
Yeah, I'm Ben 10.
Bro,
I'm Ben 10.
I'm a Ben 10 nerd. I know each episode. Yeah.
Bro, I wanted to buy Ben 10 ka kapde, like whatever he wears now. I wanted to buy that, the cargo
I
pants, my
literally used to
t-shirt.
pray before sleeping, you know, ki, Lord, please.
Give me
that
Omnitrix, bro.
Ben 10
Bro,
watch.
I had my bachpan ka dream was to get an Omnitrix.
Yeah, bro. Bro, I bought the Chinese one. It was 180 rupees.
Bro, even
And
I
used to
bought.
act.
Bro, even I
I
bought an
used to act
Omnitrix.
now.
But you know what my Omnitrix could do
Yeah.
that nobody else's could do is that it could change me into an alien whatever I choose.
Bro,
No,
my
but
Omnitrix
wait.
made sounds.
No. What my Omnitrix do that there were different alien के stickers वाला round
Oh,
pieces.
मेरे को पता है. हाँ, उसका 2
ठीक
वर्जन था.
है
हाँ.
ठीक है वो 3 ऐसे डालो और यहाँ पे ऐसा बटन दबाओ ना तो ऐसा निकलेगा. हाँ.
Bro, there were 3 versions. Now one was white and
मेरे को
one was
alien नहीं बनना है, दूसरे बनेंगे.
Bro, I bought it.
Bro, मेरे पास ये भी था. वो Power Ranger का what is it called?
Oh
I was a Power Ranger nerd, bro.
एक सेकंड let's settle the debate. Power Rangers SPD
Samurai.
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 No.
Samurai.
There's Dino Force also.
Mystic
Dino
Force.
Dino Thunder.
Mystic
No.
Bullshit.
I am
Yeah,
an
Mystic Force.
SPD. I'm
SPD fan.
Samurai, bro.
SPD fan.
Yeah,
We all and we all wanted to be Red Ranger at some point.
I
in
like
our
green.
life.
I wanted to be
Yeah,
green.
Red
Green
Ranger
was
was
cooler
like-
now. He was handsome.
What kind of a
It was-
deranged
it was-
human?
No, he was an Asian.
Is the main. Is the main.
Green
That's
was
right.
the one who was handstanding.
And
the
he
blue
used to-
Ranger
Yeah,
was
very
a
psychic.
sidekick.
Very excited.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Blue and red would always have a beef between them.
Because
He was
Blue
like,
wanted to
yo,
become
yo,
red
what
now.
Yeah.
Blue ka father was red. That's why you. Never.
I didn't see an episode of Shin-Chan.
I
I never
love
saw an
Shin-Chan.
episode. I think
Bro.
of
I love
Dragon
Chan.
Ball Z.
Dexter.
No.
Powerpuff Girls.
No.
What? Oswald?
No. Oswald, yeah. But
Noddy?
Powerpuff-
Noddy.
Yeah.
Bob the Builder.
Noddy.
Bob the Builder.
Yeah, Bob the
I was
Builder.
about to
Takeshi's
judge it.
Castle.
Bro, Takeshi.
Mad?
Mad,
Yeah.
Mad.
लेकिन मैड का इशू था मैड रात को बहुत लेट आता
और
था.
सैटरडे सुबह.
हाँ तो
SpongeBob.
नहीं.
रात को
Ninja
आता
Theory.
था.
स्पंजबॉब ना मेरे को बचपन में समझ नहीं आता था
हाँ ना
और मैं
देखता था ब्रो मेरे को
और मैं जहाँ पे मेरे टीवी में इंग्लिश में आता था स्पंजबॉब तो मैं उतना भी मैं आगा पे नहीं हूँ कि मैं इंग्लिश में
Okay, okay,
बच-
कितने
He doesn't
अच्छे-
live in South Bombay.
हाँ मैं गुजरात के किसी कोने में बचपन तो फिर इंग्लिश में समझ नहीं आता था
Yeah, there was this few times where if the show is in English, I used to change the language.
Yeah,
बट नाउ आई रियलाइज स्पंजबॉब वाज लाइक फायर अब मैं देखता हूँ अब मैं
SpongeBob, I think is an adult cartoon. I don't know.
Yeah,
if
yeah,
it's
yeah,
a-
It is.
it talks about existential
Yeah.
crisis depression stuff like that तो अभी आई वॉच
Wait, leave that, bro. Do you know the end of Doraemon?
Bro, don't
Bro,
tell. I
do
know, I
you
know,
know
I know,
the
I know.
end of Doraemon?
I know, bro. I know the end.
It's
Wait.
sad, bro. It's real sad.
Oh, that is Shinchan, bro.
No,
Bro, that's not. Bro, bro, I'm scared. of most of it.
Doraemon's end is real sad, bro. No kid.
Okay. I've never seen that. Please tell me.
wait let me guess
इसका end होता
I
ही नहीं है,
think
bro.
I've
It's
seen
in the book. It's in the book. It's in the comic.
Manga.
Manga, yeah. The Doraemon's end is like
suicide or something like that
नहीं
No.
डोरेमोन ऐसे एक दिन फंक्शन करना बंद हो जाता है
हाँ.
oh
Yeah.
that's dark
Yeah, so one day just
Bro,
Doraemon
it's
just
actually
stops functioning, and then Nobita is like, "Oh shit, what happened?" and all of that. And then Nobita goes in the future. He makes he grows up and all.
He grows up without Doraemon.
Yeah, he grows up without Doraemon. He doesn't go in the future.
Listen.
He doesn't go in the future. Yo. He doesn't go in the future. जब भी डोरेमोन फंक्शन करना बंद हो जाता है ना मतलब वो मर गया है टेक्निकली
correct
तो वो क्या करता है वो बड़ा होता है डोरेमोन साइंटिस्ट डोरेमोन बोल रहा हूँ
नोबिता।
नोबिता साइंटिस्ट बनता है वो डोरेमोन बनाता है और वो टाइम मशीन से वो पिछला वाला
oh shit
What are you saying?
Yeah,
bro. and then cut to episode 1 because episode 1 is that na ki suddenly comes out of the
Yeah.
desk
Oh shit!
it's a loop bro
Bro, I will tell you. Bro, I'll tell you
Fire
a dark
ending.
thing. I'll tell you a dark thing.
Wait. Let me process this.
bro this
Yeah,
is
I
crazy
can process.
this is
Okay.
crazy bro
Bro, I will tell you dark histories of cartoons after that, okay?
Yeah, wait.
bro
Okay,
I'll tell you one episode of Doraemon
So wait. Nobita he grows up after
Without-
Doraemon.
So once
stops functioning.
Doraemon dies, he becomes all serious, like, oh my god, what happened with me?
So wait. What about Doraemon's
bro
sister?
I can't wait
What about
Doremi.
Doremi.
I
She
don't
doesn't
know.
come to help or.
I mean,
check
you don't
anything.
find loopholes in this very
No,
but
but-
my life I think the way I look at life has changed now after knowing this revelation
Yeah, bro.
Bro,
Because when we start watching Doraemon, it's like all happy.
yeah
Bro,
And suddenly this.
bro, I will tell you the more cartoons. Please let me tell you.
Wait, I have one episode of Doraemon
Okay,
which
okay.
was the darkest and most serious. I grew up, I think, watching that episode. Grew up as in emotionally I grew up. Doraemon has this gadget called कि जिसमें future लिखा हुआ होता है, ठीक है? और वो future में ऐसा लिखा होता है कि एक पंछी गिरेगी और उसे चलाने वाला एक मोटा इंसान होगा और
Oh, I watched this.
तब दुनिया खत्म हो
हाँ,
जाएगी.
this is very dark.
This is
Oh my
very
God, I had
dark.
to.
ये नीचे का रूम है
Bro,
AC.
चलो nice segue there.
Sorry.
But it's about apocalypse, okay?
Bro, I needed my mom to write my side to watch
And
it.
so it's like कि एक fox जैसा दिखने वाला.
I'm sorry to cut you, but let's watch that episode after this.
Yeah, let's
Let's
watch.
do
It's a prophecy book, okay? कि दुनिया कब खत्म no it's a prophecy book उसमें लिखा होता है एक fox जैसा दिखने वाला
And
इंसान
see.
एक उड़न पंछी चलाएगा.
And the thing is that in this episode, Doraemon consistently tells Nobita not to use the gadget.
Yeah,
He
yeah,
says,
yeah, yeah,
Nobita,
yeah.
no, like,
That things
literally
will happen
no
and
cap.
stuff like that.
Yeah, it's like Nobita, no cap.
Bro, it's a
I'm
dark
scared,
episode, and you know what? The music is dark.
Scared as a
The
child.
even the lighting.
Yeah, the
it's
whole cinematography
Yeah.
is like the sky
yeah,
cloud
yeah.
is dark.
Everything is dark. It's one of the most different and
Bro,
creative
let's watch it.
episode.
Don't screw it for us. We'll watch
Yeah,
it.
yeah,
Don't
watch
screw
it,
it.
bro.
You
It's
tell us
the
the-
darkest
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
episode.
Okay, I'll tell few cartoons ka then.
Chal, let's watch it.
Bro, wait, I'll tell few. We will end on this note. Bro, you know Phineas and Ferb?
I know the
Yeah.
ending. I know the
No,
ending.
it's not the ending. The cartoon ka theory. You know, whenever
I know the theory also. Candace
you know,
has
Candace, I know.
some mental
Some
illness,
disease,
yeah.
na? Yeah.
Yeah, that's why
हाँ,
whenever
हाँ.
mom calls the Phineas
Yeah,
and Ferb
I
is
know
actually
this.
not there. Okay, you know Courage and Cowardly Dog ka?
Yeah. Hey,
Uh-huh.
wait. I did not understand about Candace. So Candace like always going and tipping her mom
So
that
she's
they are
like
doing
mom,
something.
Phineas and Ferb.
Phineas and Ferb are in her mind.
They
yeah,
are not.
Candice
Yeah.
is mentally ill.
Yeah.
That's her mom. Oh yeah.
So that's why whenever mom comes,
They actually do not exist.
But
Yeah.
hey,
it's just a theory. It's a fan-made theory. It's not.
Bro,
true,
even
but-
the friends are like, imagine it.
But there are so many loopholes. What about
Yeah.
what about अपना Elizabeth नहीं क्या नाम उसका Isabel क्या कर रहे हो Phineas?
others can see them.
हाँ तो it's a फालतू theory. But
yeah, because a lot of people know them. Their mom also treats them.
I've seen the last episode of Phineas and Ferb.
What is the end?
Phineas dies.
It's sad. They all grow up. Summer vacation ends,
Oh.
That's
and they
not
have
sad.
to go to school.
That's not sad.
And she and Phineas and Isabella are sitting and blah blah blah. Even I had a time when I liked you, and Isabella like, what really? Even I liked you, and Phineas is like, yeah, maybe timings never matched. Yeah,
And Ferb
and they
hates
both go to their different things. Yeah, and that's how it's sad, bro. Phineas and Ferb made many sad episodes. One was where they go to boarding school. Phineas and
But
Ferb.
isn't it like
But that
this
also
is a
was
very
fun.
deep thing?
They
bro.
started making-
This is a very deep thing. Like, isn't it how cartoons are shaping kids' mind emotionally?
Yeah, it's actually true.
Phineas and Ferb had that maturity level to understand
had.
the jokes, to understand Ferb. है ना?
Yeah, he's like a mellow guy who's
Yeah.
not very outgoing.
But Phineas always asks for, whenever Ferb, what should we do? Only when Ferb approves, then Phineas goes along with it.
Yeah,
Right?
I think it was emotionally mature.
Very. Doraemon episode.
Yeah. I've read
what?
a theory of Tom and Jerry. The reason why Tom doesn't kill Jerry and keeps that enmity in
Is
and
because-
doesn't act friendly with him. If he acts friendly, then they'll throw away Tom
Oh, yeah.
and bring in another cat
Yeah,
who
yeah.
will kill Jerry.
Yeah.
They both are actually
Yeah.
best friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they
Tom
pretend
and Jerry.
to
In disguise.
so they pretend to be enemies so that
Bro.
Tom tries to kill and doesn't
But
kill.
have you noticed that whenever they had a third enemy, they've always been
Been
together.
together.
been together.
Bro, but have you watched the last
Oh.
episode of Tom and Jerry? They both commit suicide. You know
sorry,
that, right?
What?
Bro, yeah.
Bro,
No.
shit.
It's fake. It's fake.
No.
I've read. मैं बताऊं क्या वो ट्रेन ट्रैक्स पे आके
हाँ,
बैठते हैं
हाँ.
वही ना. I know that it's not true.
Bro, but
They are all depressed. They both are depressed. Tom's girlfriend left her. And,
Oh,
Jer-
right,
and,
yeah.
and Jerry's girlfriend also left her.
Yeah.
That was maturing, bro. And they both come to the tire tracks, and that's when we don't see them fighting. They are like, "Acha, tu bhi depressed, मैं भी depressed. Chal." They sit on train tracks, and the show ends.